You guys, so we're going to be doing a bechamel sauce. Now you can be like, what's that? Now actually you've been seeing this in a lot of videos. Probably you've seen them in, people call them roux when they even doing their mac and cheese. But actually they've been doing it the wrong way, you guys. I'm going to show you how to do a perfect, smooth, and creamy bechamel sauce, which is going to be a cheese sauce, which is going to be a meringue sauce. So we're going to do the bechamel, which is going to be the stock at the beginning, of it. And then we're going to show you how we're going to make the cheese sauce for the mac and cheese. So we're going to get into the ingredients. We're going to have 1 cup of your flour, 1 cup of butter, seasoning of your liking. You can do 2 or 3 tablespoons depending on the salt you like. And then we're gonna do 4 cups of milk, whole milk. Don't do no half and half. Don't be dealing with all that. So if you're gonna make this dish, make it fat all the way. All right, and make sure you have a whisk and a spoon. So what we're gonna do is the temperature is gonna be on medium degrees. So we're gonna get ready to assemble everything and get to starting up this roux in the beginning. All right, so melt your butter down, put it on medium, medium low, and also to add in your flour. Mix it in. And really, like if you were making a gumbo, you would do this to the dark consistency, but with this, you're not doing it like that. You actually want to keep it white, because you want it to be a white sauce. That's why they call it a white sauce. A bechamel sauce pretty much. And bechamel is a mother sauce of French. So it's a French sauce, but a lot of people, if you notice, don't just look very familiar. This looks familiar like a roux that you make. That's where they got it from. They got a lot of the ingredients from the French. So this is a very good way to do it. But I found this to be the way more easier to make, than trying to do 2 tablespoons of, butter and milk. Try to add it in. But this one, you could do a large batch of it, a cheese sauce, or even you could make fettuccine sauce, starting from this, so put in about 2 cups, well, put in 1 cup first, because what you want to do is, I want to show you, you want to make sure you mix in your roux, it's smooth to get all the lumps out, and you want to cook out the flour. So that's the first thing you want to do first. So mix it in, even if it might get thick, you still got enough milk, that you're going to be putting in to continuously make this roux. So it's just a start. You're just starting out with it, it's smooth, and then you get to add in the rest of your milk. So you just wanted to get it to that consistency. Now it's time to add in the rest of your milk. So this is just 2 cups. So add in the rest of it. Leave your temperature, like I said, on about a medium or low medium. And just mix this in so all lumps is out. And it doesn't take that long either. So that's why you don't want to throw all of it in there, because your roux can congeal. So you don't want that. So if you want to know what congealed is, it can clump up. So you don't want, so just do it little by little. Now this was something you don't want to rush. So just mix it in slowly. You might have got to have some patience, you guys. This is not one of them fast recipes. This is something that if you want to do it right, take your time. So just continue to stir in, and then we're going to stir in the second cup of milk. So just keep stirring. You notice there's no dark spots in it and stuff like that. And the reason why I had a spoon too as well is because sometimes in the corner, some of your roux, see what I'm saying, gets stuck over the side. So, the whisk can't really fit up in there like that. So you want to make sure you get everything in. And just keep mixing it in to your liking. Make sure all your lumps is out. That's what the whisk is for. But I just want to make sure that you get everything in your bechamel as you're creating your white sauce. So as I keep, just gonna continue to stir it up. And you might have to do this for not quite a while, but make sure it's fully, stir it up. All the ingredients is incorporated before you add the next 2 cups of milk. So let me finish stirring this up, and then I'll be getting in another 2 cups. All right, you guys, so at this point, turn off your heat. This is the trick. While everybody start burning the bottom is to keep the temperature on. So put the 2nd cup in, turn off your temperature, and stir in your milk. If you ever make gravy, you know what it is. If you keep your temperature on and simmer, it's going to continue to thicken up. So you don't want it to continue to thicken up, before you get to that smooth consistency. So if you notice, it was a little thick, but when I put the water back in there, the milk back in there, it saved it. So, be careful. This is a sauce that you got to really take your time with. So, and mind you, this is how you get that great cheese sauce that you put on. You'd be wondering if you go to, BJ's steakhouse, and they be having that, wonderful cream of broccoli. This is what they do. You know, so they don't cook the broccoli in it first. They actually make the cheese sauce and then actually add it in to it. So here we go, you guys. So I'm gonna mix this in. I'm gonna actually this is a time where you can add in your seasoning. So I'm gonna get ready to add in some seasoning as well into the seasoning into here. Now, some people use white pepper. You can. You know what I'm saying? I just like this Uncle Steve's seasoning. It's pretty good for my mac and cheese. So I'm actually gonna be making a mac and cheese. So this is perfect for it. You know, so look out for Steve. You know, definitely check out his website on Uncle Steve. And if you mention me, you know, say he might throw a little something extra in there. All right, you guys. So, and this is perfect. The reason why I like this is because I've been using this seasoning on majority of my mac and cheese, and it comes out excellent. So, you know, if you want to check it out, definitely check it out. You know, but go to his website. You know, I'll probably have it in the link below in the description. All right, guys, so when you get it to this point with the bechamel, now it might look, it's not white sauce. So don't be getting on me. That's because the seasoning I had actually changed the color. But actually, if you didn't add that and just add some salt and a white pepper, it would be white sauce. Here, this is time for you to actually make it into a Monterey sauce, which is a cheese sauce. So we're gonna, since everybody knows cheese sauce, we're gonna make it a cheese sauce instead of saying Monterey sauce. So Monterey sauce. So what we're gonna do is add in about a half a stick of Velveeta cheese. Now, y'all can say what y'all want. Cheese is cheese for me, but this is for my mac and cheese. So, you know, put any kind of cheese from this point in, whatever you like. But like I said, if you start with this, you know what I'm saying, beginning, you're gonna end up with the best cheese sauce ever, you guys. All right, so to, you know, make your cheese sauce step out to the next level, you want to add some cream cheese. So just add 1 stick of cream cheese and mix it until it's all melted down. So you see it's already coming, you know, melting down. So we're just gonna melt this cream cheese and we add it to the mac and cheese. All right, you guys, so the cheese sauce is actually done. Very smooth, no lumps and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, you know what I'm saying, making a bechamel sauce into a cheese sauce. So let me know if you tried this recipe. It's really simple and easy. And I'm telling you guys, this is a great way to make the best mac and cheese ever. I'm gonna get ready to make some mac and cheese. So you could also use this for broccoli and cheese or any other sauce, as well as you can, if you add a little white wine in here, you can use it as a fondue. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.